everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is your teacher Aubrey on your screen. So for today's video, meron na naman tayong bagong lesson at ang lesson ito ay yung last lesson for the first quarter. Yay! Matapos na ang first quarter. See you on the second quarter of the school year 2020-2021. At ang last lesson natin ay yung the scientific notation and problem solving. Application na yon ng lahat ng lesson natin for the first quarter. Matatapos na sis. Magpasan. Konting tiis na lang, last na to guys. So, keep on watching on the discussion of our last lesson for the first quarter. Your bonus questions will be posted right after this one. Bye! Okay, so we are now in week 8 with module 10, scientific notation and problem solving with real numbers. Okay, so as I have said earlier that we are having two lessons, scientific notation and problem solving with real numbers. So your module for the week is this one. Yan. That will be our module for the week. And after using this module, you are expected to write numbers in scientific notation and vice versa, and represents real-life situations and solve problems involving real numbers. So, let's start with the scientific notation. Our lesson 1. What is scientific notation? Alam mo ba? Ikaw sis, alam mo? Kung alam mo, ano yun? Correct! A scientific notation simplifies the way we write very large and very small numbers in a compact form. The primary components of a number written in scientific notation are as follows. Example, this one, C times 10 raised to n, where C is any number from 1 to 10 but not including 10. So, start with 1, 1.1, 1.2 until 9.999. Hindi siya pwedeng maging 10. And the n there, the letter n in there, wait lang, lagyan ko lang ng laser para makita natin. Ito. Yung 10 dito is the base, and then yung n is an integer. Can be a negative, a zero, or a positive number. So let's have examples of scientific notation. The following are common numbers written in scientific notation, and try to see if you can find some pattern. Ayan. Tignan nyo nga kung may nakikita kayong pattern dyan. If your n or your exponent is 0, then walang pinagkaiba. Yun lang yon. Pero pag yung exponent mo ay positive, ito. Padami ng padami yung zeros, kung padami ng padami rin yung exponent na positive. And then, pag negative exponent, ganyan. Padami rin yung zero. So, just study that one in your module. And then, we are going to write whole numbers in scientific notation. That is lesson 1.1. Represent the given decimal number 3,800 in scientific notation. So, the first thing we need to do is to identify your C, your numbers from 1 to 10, and also identify n. It must be an integer. Okay, so first you have to write 3,800, which is the given, and then this one. The original decimal is in this part. That's the original location of the decimal. But if we are going to put that in C, where C is any number from 1 to 10, it can be 3.8. It can never be 38.00. No, but it should be 1 to 10. A number from between 1 to 10. So 3.8, and that is now the new location of the decimal point. Now, if we are going to count the decimal point, it is written this way. Why is it written this way? It is because if we count the decimal places from new location to original location, and that is directing to right with 3 decimal places, so this becomes positive 3. So yung 3.8 dito yan. Yung 10, it is in this part, constant yan. And then yung n, yung decimal places from new location to original location. Ayan. Gets? Okay, so let's try another example. Rewrite the given decimal number a productful mo dahil nga value. 43,335 billion in scientific notation. So the first thing we need to do is to write the given and then identify the original location of the decimal point, which is in this part, and then make it in C, wherein the number should be between 1 to 10. So definitely it's 4.3. Yan, between 4 and 3, doon yung new location. And then, this is now your answer because count the decimal places from new location to original location. Ito siya. Yung 4.3335, ito siya. Times 10, which is the constant, and then 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Until here, the 13 is the giant toy. Gets? Okay, so your 43,335 billion in scientific notation, that is written as 4.3335 times 10 raised to 30. So let's have another example. Rewrite the given decimal number 6,607,900 in scientific notation. Okay, first is to write the given and then identify the original decimal place. So that's the original ha. It's a whole number. So lahat ng decimal ng whole number ay nasa huli. Tapos na nating itakal yan noon. So that's the original location. And then using the rule in writing scientific notation, it can be 6.6. And that is now the new location of the decimal point. And then it is written this way because as we count the decimal place between from new location to original location, that is 6.6079 dito times 10 raised to 6. Why 6? Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 decimal places going to the right. That's why it is positive 6. Therefore, 6,607,900 is equal to 6.6079 times 10 raised to 6 in scientific notation. Gets? Okay, so let's proceed to our next lesson. How to write decimal numbers into scientific notation. Okay, ito. Paano naman pag decimal yung given? Okay, so kanina ang whole number, that's why there exponent is positive. But now, we proceed to decimal numbers. So, their exponent is negative. Okay, why negative? So, let's have examples. Okay, so let's have examples. Rewrite the given decimal number 0.0005 in scientific notation. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to write the given and then identify the original location and the new location. So the original is in this part. And the new location is in this part. And we have to count the decimal places from new to original. So from new to original, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 decimal places to the left. Therefore, your answer is 5 times 10 raised to negative 4. Pa-left na siya, kaya negative 4. Let's have another example. Rewrite the given decimal number 0.0012 in scientific notation. So the given is that one, and you have to identify the new location and the original location. And then we count from new to original. The decimal places from new to original location. So that's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 decimal places to the left. So your answer is 1.2 times 10 raised to negative 3. Hanapin nyo lang yung C. Yung C yung magdetermine kung saan yung exact or yung new location ng inyong scientific decimal point. So the answer now is 0.0012 is equal to 1.2 times 10 raised to negative 3 in scientific notation. Okay, so let's have the next lesson, which is convert scientific notation to a standard notation. Ito, mas madali na lang ito kasi magka-count ka lang ng decimal places. So, convert 3.456 times 10 raised to 4 in standard notation. First is to write the given, and then that one. Isulat yung original. That's, ito yung C. Sinulat ko yung C, and then sabi niya, 10 raised to negative 4. Positive 4, I should say. Pag positive 4, going to the right. Pag negative naman, going to the left. But since it's positive going to the right, so 4 places to the right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito yung new location ng decimal at yung vacant place, lagyan natin ng 0. That's why, yun. Your answer is 34,560. Okay, count. Yun. Ayan yung answer niya. Okay, so the next example is convert 1.06 times 10 raised to negative 3 in standard notation. This time, we have a negative exponent. So, write the given and then identify your C. Your C is 1.06. And then, negative 3. So, when we say negative 3, we count 3 decimal places to the left. Okay, to the left. 3 decimal place to the left. Ito, iakarta yung araw din. 1, 2, 3. So, this is now your new. And then, add zeros to your vacant place values. That is now the new location and then the original location. And your answer is 0.00106. Linagyan ko na ng 0 doon para i-indicate naman na decimal yun. Kasi pag wala, baka malay mo may muta lang dyan. Gano'n. May dumi, gano'n. Akala mo lang dumi, hindi naman pala. So, we have to put 0 before the decimal point if there are no numbers before the decimal point. Okay, so that is now your answer. 1.06 times 10 raised to negative 3 is equal to 0.00106 in standard notation. Okay, so let's proceed to the second lesson, which is on the problem solving. So ito, hindi ko na kayo papahirapan pa. Magbibigay na ako ng bonus. But first, let's try this problem. There are 8 packs of fruit juice in a box. How many boxes needed if 40 people are attending the meeting, with each receiving 6 packs of fruit juice? If there are 40 people and each person should have 6 packs, then 40 times 6, then divide by 8. Okay, ganun na lang. So, how many boxes needed if 40 people are attending the meeting, with each receiving 6 packs of fruit juice? That is what is being asked. That is the problem on that situation. And then the given facts in that problem are 8 packs of fruit juice per box, 40 persons, and 6 packs each person. Okay, so your operation is our multiplication and division, and your number sentence is 40 times 6 open close parenthesis divided by 8 equals n. Yon. Yung n na yon, that's the number sentence wherein you are going to find for that n. Okay, so your solution now is 40 times 6, and that is equal to 240. Yung 240, yung fruit juice lang. Pero there are 8 packs in a box. So, you have to divide that by 3. So, you can have 30 boxes of fruit juice are needed for the 40 people to have 6 packs each. Gets? Okay, let's have another example in your module that you're going to answer, but I am going to give it as your bonus. First one, first half, meaning to say may isa pa, no? Keep on watching. Lucio has 100 coins, all in 5 and 1 peso coins, amounting to 180 pesos. How many 1 peso coins does he have? Medyo magulo, diba sis? Pero i-translate ko na lang sa Iloco language, dialect. Ada ka no ti 100 nga barya ni Lucio. Tatan tagiji nga barya ada ti saglilimang, ada sagsingko, kan ada sagpipiso. Kuti total na amin DJ nga 100 nga barya is 180. Mano ti sagpipiso, mano ti sagsisingko. Deja ti mga sangon. Now, how many 1 peso coin does Lucio have? That's the asked question. And then the given facts are 100 peso, 100 coins, 5 peso and 1 peso coins, and 180 pesos, which is the total amount of the money that Lucio has. Okay, so this is my solution. Let x equals the number of 5 peso coin. Kasi hindi mo naman alam kung ilan yung 5 peso coin. Ilan nga ba yung 5 peso coin? Sinabi ba dyan? Di ba hindi? Okay, so let x. Magrugi na kita x, y, x, y. Yun na po. Kagitan. Second quarter na itang progrugyan tayo tatan. Para may idea kayo sa susunod na lessons. O yan. X is the number of 5 peso coin kasi hindi pa natin siya alam. At alam lang natin yung total number ng coins. Ilan yung total number ng coins? Okay, there are 100 coins. Pero yung X is yung 5 peso coin. Now, we are going to represent your 1 peso coin as 100 minus X. Kasi yung total minus yung bilang ng 5, yun yung bilang ng 1. At sinabi dyan na yung 5 peso coin, ang bilang niya ay ito. Plus, yung 1 peso coin, yung bilang niya ay ito. And that is equal to, pag pinag-combine mo sila, yung total na pera mo ay 180 pesos. Now, simplifying that, 5 times x, that's 5x. Plus 1 times 100, that's 100. And then 1 times negative x, that's negative x, equals that one, 180. And then combining like terms, pagsamahin natin yung 5x at negative x. So 5x minus x, that's 4x. And then yung kabila, 180. And then yung 100 going to the other side, that will equal to the negative 100. Ito siya. Pang-isura. Awatong tayo lang. So, 5x minus x, that's 4x, equals 180 minus 100, that's 80. And then divide both sides by 4. I-cancel mo detan, therefore your x is equal to 20. Wherein 80 divided by 4, that's 20. So yung sinabi, yung 20 ay yung bilang lang ng 5. Kung 5 yung kung 20 yung bilang ng 5, edi i-answer na rin natin ito. 80. So, 80 na ngayon yung 1 peso coin. So, Lucio has 80 coins of 100 peso coins. Okay. So, 20 plus 80, that's 100. So, kuha natin yung total number of coins. Yan. Yay! Nasolve natin. So, let's proceed to the next bonus. So, this is the problem. It takes Jendi 9 hours to pick 50 boxes of mangoes. Joy can pick the same amount of mangoes in 11 hours. How long would it take them if they work together? Okay, so sabi nga nila, no man is an island. At mas madali yung gawain kung sama-sama. So, pag pinagsama natin si Jendi at Joy, ilan kaya yung hours? Siyempre, mapapadali kasi dalawa nga sila, di ba? So, how long would it take them if they work together? That's the asked question. And then the given are 9 hours for Jendi to work and 11 hours for Joy to work. Okay, so the idea is this one. Jendi plus Joy equals together. And we know that 1 over A is for Jendi and 1 over B is for Joy and 1 over X is for them to work together. But we do not know the hour for them to finish a job together. All we know is that 9 hours for Jendi and 11 hours for Joy. So if you are going to solve that, and this is now in fraction form. Okay, this is now my solution. Why did I have this one? Because we have to make this as a linear equation. Linear equation lang dapat ito. But in this form, naka-rational na siya. But by the help of the LCM or the LCD, which is the 99x, so we can simplify that as 11x plus 9x equals 99. Why? 99x divided by 9 is 11x. 11x times 1, that's 11x. Okay, the next one, 99x divided by 11, that's 9x. 9x times 1, that's 9x. 99x divided by x is 99 times 1, which is the 99. Nagets? Magets yung to deta. Tata magigets yung. Okay? So we have to combine like terms. So 11 plus 9, you have 20x equals 99. And then we have to divide both sides by 20, which is the variable, the coefficient beside the variable x. And then cancel that so that ilang mabadikot ni x. Then 99 divided by 20, and that is equal to 4.95. So therefore, it will take 4.95 hours for Jendy and Joy to work together. So mas mapapadali yung work nila pag nag-combine silang dalawa. So that is the problem solving that we are going to have as our bonus. Now, it's your turn. Open your modules and do the activities assigned to you by your teacher. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Bye-bye! So that ends our lesson for today, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoyed the first